Once there was a poor man who applied for a cleaner's job in a company. During the interview, he was given a task of cleaning the lobby area of the office and dumping the garbage in the dustbin. He performed his task responsibly and neatly. The employer was quite impressed and offered the man this job. The employer asked the man to submit his email ID for the further paperwork for joining. Surprisingly, the poor man didn't have the email ID. The employer was shocked. He told the poor man that in this modern era, the person who does not have an email ID, that person does not exist. And the person who doesn't exist, how can he do work? The poor man was shattered. With only £3 in his pocket, he was thinking about his future. On the way to his home, he saw a wholesale merchant's fruit shop. The merchant was selling apples at low price. The poor man decided to purchase apple out of those £3. The poor man started door-to-door selling of the apples and earned a good return of £6. He repeated the same process for his living. 10 years later, he was one of the largest fruit merchant in that area. The man was happy and contented on his success. After some time, he decided to buy life insurance for himself. So, he talked with the agent and decided on the best plan. The insurance agent asked the man to give his email ID so that he can send the insurance policy on his email. The man was still not having any email ID. To this, the agent was surprised. He said, "Sir, you are earning plenty in your business without an email ID. Have you ever wondered the business you can generate with the help of an email ID?" The man smiled and said, "If I had an email address, I would have ended up working as a janitor at some random place." So, moral of the story is, we should always stay contented with what we have in our present and work hard and smart, and exploit the resources to make our future better. Stay tuned for more motivational videos. Engage TEL Gurus. Meet your divine masters.